Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Kate. If you are not new, welcome back to another vlog. This is going to be my Christmas vlog. So today is December 22nd. Christmas Eve is Friday. Christmas Day is on Saturday. I am so excited. If you know me, Christmas is my favorite holiday. I prepare for Christmas seriously like the day after Halloween. Christmas is my favorite time of year. But yeah, so I am about to run out. Actually, it's 1 o'clock and I still haven't gotten my brother or my dad's gift cards, so I have to run to the store and do that. I'm also probably going to pick up Zach a birthday card since his birthday is January 6th. So it's like right after Christmas. The amount of money I spend like this time of year, because Christmas, then it's Zach's birthday, and then it's Valentine's Day, and then our anniversary is in March. This time of year is just like money, money, money. I'm always broke after this time of year. It's insane, but I'm gonna go run out to the store. I'll probably go to CVS, maybe Target, but I have on my new little beanie from Aritzia. I got a black one and then this gray one, although it kind of looks like periwinkle-ish blue. Maybe that's just me, I don't know. But I'm wearing all black today. Aritzia crew neck, Aritzia joggers, and then my little new beanie. I have one that's in like a cream color, and then I just wanted to get like a gray and a black one for more variety. I look like a thug right now with my beanie wearing all black. I need some moisture on my lips. My lips and my hands are just so dry. Oh my gosh, I hate it. I'm using my Fresh Sugar Watermelon Hydrating Lip Balm. The stuff smells so good. But I have to get my jacket on, and I'm gonna wear sneakers because it's raining. I don't want to wear boots or anything. Oh yeah, that is what I wanted to show you. If you know the little, so I'll just show you. So I got the ultra mini Uggs. Oh my gosh, you can literally not find these everywhere. I had to go to New Hampshire to go and get these because they were just literally nowhere to be found. And I ended up getting the black color because the chestnut color, like the brown shade, is just like non-existent in the world. I am literally getting a call from Australia right now. Okay. But yeah, the chestnut color is just like nowhere to be found, but I'm actually really into the black. I'm gonna put them on and show you because I honestly think they're cute, and I bet like not a lot of people will have the black color because everybody wants the brown color. But I don't know, I think they're cute. Zach said they look weird because they're like wicked short, but I don't know. I like them. I think they're cute, but I'm not going to wear them because it's raining and I don't want to ruin them. So I'm just going to put on my sneakers. The amount of black I wear is insane, but I just put on my Super Puff from Aritzia and then my Nike Air Force One Shadows. And now I'm going to head out. Oof. Oh my gosh. It's like mayhem, literally, wherever you go. Like, Christmas is in like 3 days and it's just crazy. All the roads are so busy, there's so much traffic, but I finally got the gift cards. I got my dad a card, and I also got Zach a birthday card, and then I actually stopped into the nail salon because if you watched my vlog a couple times ago, I was trying to get my mom a nail salon gift card to the nail salon that we go to, and they're having a 20% off deal if you pay with cash, which is really cool. So I got her that, and now I'm just gonna go home because I like have so much anxiety just being in the car and there's just so many people. So I'm gonna go home. I don't know if I will see you later today or tomorrow, but peace out. Good morning. It is now the next day. Today's Thursday. It's Christmas Eve. I'm about to bake some Christmas cookies for Santa, and I am just like in the Christmas mood now. Like, it's full on Christmas, and I haven't baked cookies yet. Well, actually no, I baked cookies I think like 2 weeks ago, but obviously we need some for Christmas Eve, so I'm just going to bake some more. I have some gingerbread and some sugar cookie, just like the Pillsbury dough mix, like that's already packaged because I don't have time to just make my own right now. I also have the TV on with some Christmas music. I am so happy right now. So I'm just going to make some cookies, vlog, have a chill little day right now, and then later me and Zach are going out to dinner at Lolita in Boston. That's like one of our favorite places, and we actually went there a year ago today, and I made the reservations last week because that place always gets so busy and like so crowded, so I made the reservations last week so we would definitely have a spot. So I'm so excited. I'm like in the mood for a margarita, and if you watched my last vlog, I was saying how like me and Zach don't normally drink. Like I rarely drink. I don't know, I'm just not a big drinker, but my favorite drinks, if I do drink, are margaritas or Moscato. So I think I might get a margarita tonight just because I'm like craving one. I don't know, maybe it's the holidays. Okay, I just put the first batch in the oven. They're so cute. But I thought I was done with the gingerbread, and I just realized I have a whole other half to do, and I would put it back in the fridge, but honestly, I just want to make them because when Christmas is over, I'm obviously not going to be making these. So I'm just gonna finish this, and then I also have some sugar cookies. I'll probably just give some away to whoever wants them, and then we are having Christmas Eve at my house tomorrow, so my family will be coming over so they can have some, take some home, give them to whoever they want. But I just love making cookies, like it's so fun. So I'm gonna finish these. Finally finished all the cookies. Oh my gosh, that took so long. I just cleaned up everything. Cleaning up flour and just like sticky cookie dough is just not fun. So that took me quite a bit, but they're all finished. So I have all of my gingerbread and then all my sugar cookies, which I'm so confused about why they look so bad. Like they're all wrinkly and I don't know. I feel like they just don't look good, and they don't look as good as I made them last year. And it says that you're supposed to add 1/4 cup of flour if you want to bake cutout cookies so they don't like expand. And I did that, and I feel like they still expanded. Like if you look at this gingerbread compared to like this one is literally perfect. And then that one just looks like a blob. So it's whatever, it's fine. So I'm just gonna let them sit here, and then tomorrow I think I'll just decorate them because I don't really feel like doing that right now. And tomorrow is Christmas Eve, obviously, so that'll be something fun to do. Maybe Zach, I don't think Zach has to work tomorrow. I'm not sure. I can't remember if he said he has to work tomorrow or he doesn't, but I would want to decorate them with him and not just by myself. So that will be for tomorrow. And I also made a gingerbread house yesterday by myself. I'm weird about my gingerbread houses. Like I want them to look a certain way, and when people help and like mess it up, I get so mad. Do you relate? I don't know, but it just looked like that. But it's so cute. I love her. So that is my gingerbread house, all of my cookies, and I will probably see you later when I'm getting ready for dinner. My appetite has been so weird recently. Like I feel like the past couple of days I've just been like so hungry. Like I feel so hungry all the time, even when I eat. After I eat a full meal and have some water, I'm like still hungry. So I don't know what my issue is. I just had an egg salad sandwich for lunch, and I ended up having a sugar cookie, and I like my stomach just feels weird. I don't know, but I'm excited to go to dinner later and maybe get some margaritas, chips and guac. It'll just be chef's kiss. Hello guys. Oh my gosh, I look crazy from this lighting. Oh my gosh, ew. I am on my way to Boston right now to go to Lolita. I didn't even have time to like film myself getting ready or literally anything. I have been baking all day, and I shouldn't even be vlogging and driving right now, but I wanted to get a chance to talk to the vlog before I go eat. but I've been literally baking all day. I baked pumpkin pie, I baked all those cookies I vlogged, and then I baked even more cookies that I didn't even vlog because I was just like so stressed, and I've just been literally baking all freaking day. But you can't even see my outfit, but I'm like really obsessed with my makeup. I did a little wing, which if you know me, like personally, I used to wear winged eyeliner like all the freaking time in high school. Like that was all I wore, was winged eyeliner, and I feel like a baddie with my winged eyeliner right now. And I have my hair in a ponytail. It's like all slicked back. I'm like loving this look, and I have my hoops. We're feeling spicy tonight, I guess. Yeah, so I'm getting on the highway right now, so I'm gonna put my camera away, but I will see you when I get there. It is Christmas Day. I literally have my little radio on because I listened to Christmas music all night and literally fell asleep to Christmas music. I did that last year too because I'm just a kid and I love Christmas so much. Yeah, so it's Christmas Day. It's 8:39 in the morning and I'm in my Christmas pajamas. These are from Abercrombie, by the way, if you're wondering. I got them last year. It's like a big onesie. They're so cute and comfy. But yesterday I don't even think that I vlogged at all. I think I like vlogged a little clip of me decorating Christmas cookies, but I don't even know if I'll put that in here because there's just like no context and it would just be like weird. But yesterday my family came over and we had Christmas Eve dinner here, which was really nice, and we had like a ham dinner that we catered from Wegmans. It was so good. We had so many desserts, so much good food, so that was really fun. And I just woke up at like 7, but I think we're just gonna wait to open gifts a little bit later in the day because Zach is still down the Cape with his family. I have like all of his gifts here and we just want to like open gifts all together, so we're probably going to wait for him to get here so we can open everything. Yeah, my cat is here, but I'm like so sad because it doesn't feel like Christmas anymore and I wish Santa was real. And I don't want Christmas to be over. I feel like the months after Christmas is just like blah. So I need to be in the moment though right now. But yeah, so there's nothing even really planned for today. I'm not like going anywhere to have like a dinner or anything. But I'm going to see my little brother with my mom and my older brother. If you don't know already, my brother is special needs and he actually goes to a residential home, so we're gonna go see him. And this is actually the first year that he's not coming home for Christmas, which was very weird and sad because he always used to come home for Christmas and sleep over, but last year was just like really bad and his behaviors were really bad, so it's just like unsafe for him to come home and drive him in the car. So we are just going to visit him, and so we're gonna do that today and wait for Zach to come here. And I really want to decorate Christmas cookies with him because he obviously didn't get to come over yesterday because he had to work and then he went right to the Cape after. So I want to do that with him. But yeah, today's just gonna be a chill, cozy Christmas day. We're probably gonna watch Christmas movies and just have like a nice relaxing day. But yeah, it's Christmas.